Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is Happy Father's Day card. The other happy word like this. Here I am drawing Father's Day word. F A letter. This is T letter. This is H letter. This is E letter. This is R letter. Now I am drawing S letter. Father's word was completed. This is Day word. D A Y letter. This was completed. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this word with light blue color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using light blue color. Fill like this. Now I am using black color brush pen. Fill this space with black color brush pen. Now I am using black color marker pen. Draw the line with black color marker pen. Draw like this. Put a dots like this. Now I am drawing father and baby drawing. Draw like this. If you want any type of cover page designs or any type of cards or any type of border designs, comment on comment section. Draw the design like this. Now I am using black color brush pen. Fill this space with black color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Brush pen, color pen, sketch pen, crayon, oil pastel, whatever you want. I am using brush pen. I am drawing balloons. Draw like this. Same repeat here. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this balloon with light blue color brush pen. This is red color brush pen. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Here I am using green color brush pen. Here I am using yellow color pencil. I am shading with yellow color pencil. Fill like this. I am shading with yellow color pencil. If you want, you can use crayon or oil pastel. Shade like this. Draw the outline with this color. Draw like this. Here I am using highlighter. Drawing wave design. Here I am drawing 3 lines with the scaling black color sketch pen. Draw the round shape like this. Same repeat here. Now I am using red color brush pen for this round shape. Draw like this. If you want, you can use any other colors. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this space with light blue color pencil. Like
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and
draw the design with light blue color brush pen. This was completed.